How to upload longer reels on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add up to 90 seconds of longer reels in your Instagram. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Now in order to add a longer reels, go ahead and tap onto the plus icon from the bottom screen and make sure that you are toggled on Reel tab. You will see the length option on your left side. Tap onto it and choose the option of 90. Now you can go ahead and record up to 90 seconds of videos. In case you would like to upload the existing videos that is longer, then tap on this gallery option from your bottom left, and from there choose the video that is longer, tap onto next and tap onto share. Just like so, this is how you can upload longer reels on your Instagram. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.